Hello everyone, my name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about GitHub Copilot. Before that, I am making lot of videos with cloud and DevOps. I hope these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. It will be encourage me make more videos. Today topic is GitHub Copilot. I already made a video about GitHub Copilot, like how to install and what are the few options are there and what are the features with that. Today I am going to make a part 2 video which is going something more about essential things which you know for to use GitHub Copilot. Let's dive into today topic. Let me share my screen. So for that, today I have GitHub Copilot. So basically, GitHub Copilot, it is the AI tool where you can make your code better and better. For that only, we are using the GitHub Copilot. So there is an option called Ghost Text. We are going to see this option, how it is going to work. So for this, I have the Visual Studio Code. I already showed with you the explanation with the Visual Studio Code only. So today I am going to show for this again. So for this we have the Visual Studio Code here. So here I'm going to show you something called about GhostX. What is GhostX basically here? So for example, I'm going to show you the explanation here. You can see this explanation. So GhostX is something going to show you the suggestion where you can do the code better. It is going to fetch the code from more options you can get. By that way, the GhostX is going to work. So for example, I am writing something called a deployment file. I already showed here. I have something model. So same thing I'm going to try. So you can see that here I have the a deployment which I'm going to write. So for that I'm using API. Just I have entered API. By that way, it is showing this suggestion. So by giving the tab, I'm going to end up with this, and again I'm giving tab. Nothing I have did. Again I'm giving enter. I'm waiting here. Again it is showing the what to do next. So I'm again giving the enter. So I'm going to create something called a deployment. Again I give enter. Again it is showing going to show you the entire data what I can do better. So again I will give the tab, then the spec I need it. Again something, again it is going to show like a replicas which I need to do. By giving enter, your whole code is done. You can edit the code. You no need to refer somewhere. This is how the ghost text is going to work for you. So this is the thing which I thought to say. So next we are going to say about the comment completion. You can also write something if you want to do. So for example, here what I'm going to do, let's go here again. So here I want to write something called the program. Write Terraform module to create EC2 instance. I just done, and I'm giving the enter. Boom. Simply it's write a code. You can give tab. Done. I have done the model to create the Terraform module for the EC2 instance. You no need to refer somewhere. You just take it this as an example. You can edit and you can go for it. So this is like how the command by going to work. I just gave the tab. It done the awesome work. So next we are going to see the code suggestion, how it is going to work. For example, here I have something called code suggestion. For that, what I'm going to do, again I'm going to give something called API version. So API version, again I'm giving. Now I'm going to press, I'm using Windows, so that's why I'm going to press the control plus enter. control plus enter, it's going to show you the some suggestions what you can go and pick it. See, there are the suggestions. This is for deployment, this is for different suggestions you are getting. So you will get a lot of suggestion. There are two suggestions currently for this. So this is what you can go for it. So like this it is going to work. So if you are something you are working with something C program or Java, so based on that it is going to give lot of suggestion. As I'm using the Windows, I'm using with control plus I. If you are the Mac user, you can go for command plus I. So next, something called inline chat. For this you have to use the inline chat option. So here I'm giving control plus I. For example, here I have something called some error, which I need to fix with my code. So what I can do, I will just press control plus I. It will show you the something comment in the inline itself, show you the comment. So in the previous video I already showed you how you can work with this inline. So for this you can just go and select and whatever you want with the slash command. If you want to fix this, if you want to explain, go with that and give the enter. It will explain you. This is called inline comment, you can use it. So next, I'm going to show you the sidebar chat. So if you have the sidebar, you can check it out. There is a chat box. You can go here and you can go and chat with the terminal. So whatever you want. For example, if I want to chat with the my workspace, so explain the main.tf. So it will explain main.tf. It's going to check with my workspace and it is going to explain the my main.tf file whatever there. So how it will work. Okay, so next, for example, if I want to go for something called previous command, what you can do, here you can press the up arrow. I'm just pressing the up arrow. You can see my previous command is coming. Again, I'm pressing the up arrow. My old commands are coming. So you can see that. Again, I'm pressing down arrow. So it's coming down. So you can go for something called up arrow and down arrow. By that way, you can use it. So next, there is one more option you can see wherever when you go for it, you can see this spark icon. You can also click this one, and this is also going to give you something called inline command. You can use it directly. And next, so we can see, this is what I'm thought to say with this video. There are something called slash and variables which I have explained in my previous video. I hope this you find this videos helpful, and you got something about the essentials things which is with the GitHub Copilot. I hope this video is helpful. You can give thumbs up and it will be encourage me if you even like it for with the more comments. I really like to make lot of videos. You can follow for the more videos. So thanks for watching. Let's see you in the next video. Bye.